equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the process of retrieving the screen code and cable code for the HP 17DB laptop. This is essential for diagnosing issues related to display problems. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to work safely. Begin by removing the back cover of the HP 17DB. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. If you notice any, use a can of compressed air to clean the area. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, locate the display cable connected to the motherboard. This is typically a flat cable running from the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out of its connector. It's important to handle this with care to avoid any damage. Next, you will need to find the screen code. This code is usually printed on a label attached to the back of the screen. If you can't find it, refer to the laptop service manual for guidance. Once you have the screen code, make a note of it for future reference. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in identifying the issue without any pressure to commit to repairs. After noting the screen code, reconnect the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely attached to avoid any display issues. Now, let's move on to the cable code. This code can often be found on the cable itself or in the laptop's documentation. Again, if you're having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Once you have both codes, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any gaps. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop to a repair center. Just let us know, and we'll handle the rest. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following this guide on retrieving the screen and cable codes for your HP 17DB. With these codes, you'll be better equipped to address any display issues that may arise. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.